Health camp held in high district areas, seminars and workshops have helped to create massive awareness compared to last year's efforts.
Rotary has set up 2 permanent points, stations at the toll plaza, the exit point to Hyderabad. And there every day almost 1600 children are receiving vaccines. It is operating 24 hours, and looking at the success of this, we want to set up such points on all the other highways, and the work has already started on that.
The decline is very visible when compared to year 2011. 69 cases were reported last year, July 2011. And this year, July 2012, only 23 cases have been reported so far.
It looks very simple to give 2 drops to a child, but these drops have to be given in a given time throughout Pakistan to every child. Various ways of doing were tried, and ultimately the experience has shown that it has to be door to door. And in door-to-door situation, the WHO, in consultation with the health, UN health authorities and in local health authorities, fixed NIDs, what we call National Immunization Days.
We had 10 Rotarians visiting from United States and Canada, and they were a moral booster to us. They came and energized our Rotarians. They came all the way on their expense to show that they care. They want to see a polio-free world.
Pakistan has had an endemic polio problem, being one of 3 countries left in the world to eradicate this terrible disease. We also know you have been very successful, and you have done so through the hard work of going door to door in some of your highest density population areas. And we have seen that good work.
Today, I have the honor of being in this great country of Pakistan, and I'm gathered with a team of wonderful Rotarians from Canada and the United States to participate in this National Immunization Day, where about 34 million children from throughout the country of Pakistan are going to receive the precious drops of the polio vaccine, which will protect them from this devastating disease.
If you look at the findings and statistics, this year the country is doing much better. The number of cases are rather half of the last year, even less. But there is a lot of things more need to be done. We need to reach each and every child in Pakistan with vaccination in order to make sure that we eradicate polio, and the 2003 will be polio-free Pakistan.
We have the sewerage samples showing positive. That means polio is in the environment. Today, Karachi has not seen a case of polio for 1 year and 7 months, but the sewerage samples are showing positive. That means we need to protect these young children from the polio virus. The International Monitoring Board also has highlighted that Gadab is a reservoir of polio virus. The cases reported in Afghanistan also have shown a genetic link to the virus in Gadab.
The hubs of one of the reservoirs of polio virus continues to be of great concern, in spite of the fact that different strategy, more intensive strategy has been followed there, and we hope that will bring down the missed children.
And I'm sure that with the support of my Rotarian teams all over Pakistan, with my partner teams of WHO, UNICEF, CDC, JICA, we are going to get through the hurdles and give the gift of polio-free world, polio-free Pakistan to our coming generation.